Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and this is our Volkswagen Tiguan. As you can see, it's come up really well using our range of Autoglym products. This one was first registered in November 2011 and it's covered just over 92,000 miles. This one will also come with a 12-month MOT, a 12-month warranty and a new service. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the frankly brilliant Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. So starting off this video, we're just going to go around, take a look, any sort of damages that we also might see, so you know exactly what to expect. So starting off with the bonnet and bumper, it's fairly tidy. There is a dink down here, and a scratch just along the bumper there. A little bit of a sort of area there too. Bonnet is in pretty good condition. We have stone chip, another stone chip. And that's about what I can see there. There's some minor scuffing down here. Everything else seems fairly in order. I mean, the wheels, immaculate, really good condition. A little bit of trim, sort of bowage there. Trying to look, a little bit of a tiny scuff here on the mirror. This door seems pretty good. Windows, again, seem pretty good. This rear quart, that door seems good. I think that might just be a blemish. Tiny little bit of blemish there. And there's a bit of a dink here, a bit of a side sweep on that rear quarter. Yeah, that's about that damage. The wheel, again, this rear wheel, another immaculate wheel. Great condition. The rest of this quarter seems pretty good. Sorry, it's a little bit tight around the back here. Probably shouldn't have parked so close. There is some scuffage again on this quarter, just past where this area here, it sort of follows it round. There's a bit of scuffage there. There is some boot damage, as I like to call, from daily usage, what it looks like. Again, that's not very significant. The actual boot itself is in great condition. Same story this side, boot scuffage. I'm not really sure what the technical word is for it, but I will call it boot scuffage. So now we'll move on to this passenger's rear quarter. Seems all in good condition. Oh, there's a scuff down here. Scuffage there. There's a bit of scuffage on the trim too. I'll sort of move around with it. Again, the wheel. I mean, the wheels are in really good condition. This door, there's a bit of a, I think that's some sort of crease or something in the door. Again, not huge. I mean, when you stand back, it's not major, if I'm honest. I'm just trying to get the camera to look at the light to see if we notice anything else. This front door here, in pretty good condition. Nothing really stands out. Anything on this? Some scuffage on this passenger mirror here. Definitely a bit of scuffage. I like the word scuffage, use that a lot. Crack here just in front of that passenger mirror, but again, wouldn't consider it serious. Nothing really to write home about there. Again, this front wheel, the only thing to say about this passenger wheel is I'd say maybe the centre cap's a little faded, but other than that, the alloy again is in fantastic condition. Yeah, a sort of background, the bumper again. That's all there is to expect here. So let's take a walk round to the boot, if I can open it, if I haven't parked too close, just so you know what to expect. Oh, that's tight. There we are, we're focused. There's the parcel shelf. There's the boot. Comes with the 12-volt socket in the back here. Hopefully you can see that. comes with your warning-y bits in this area. High vis, I think. Yeah, that's it. Sort of discovering this together because I can't quite remember. And if we open up here, we do have a spare wheel. We have some jump cables, what I presume to be the warning triangles, and a fitting kit there with the locking wheel nut safely stored in there too. Right, let's take a walk around to the front and then I'll show you the inside. Right, let's take a look inside. And as you can see, the interior is in very good condition. I mean, I don't think there's any damage on the interior. I mean, the only thing I have noticed is probably a little stain here on the seat, but that is about it. It's come up wonderfully on the inside. Right, I'm going to jump in. As you can see, it's all very good condition. I know I've been saying that a lot, but the interior really is. There's all your buttons for your windows, lights, steering wheel, your dual climate control, your multifunction sort of screen. Let's turn that down. You've got your DAB up here. You have got your Bluetooth area, but again, I haven't got that set up. There's your 6-speed manual gearbox, some more stuff, electric handbrake, some cup holders. Right, let's start her up. Depress the clutch to start. Okay, I've got the parking brake on. I'll take that off. There we go. Right, as you can see, no warning lights come up. As you can see, it literally is just over 92,000 miles. Very close indeed. Right, let's check out the history of this vehicle. So, this car has had 3 owners from new. It's had a Volkswagen main dealer service in 2013 and independent services in 2016, 2020, 2022 and 2024. It will also have a full service by us ahead of delivery. The car comes with a 12-month MOT and a 12-month warranty, which I have mentioned quite a lot. If you like this car, you can secure it with a £100 reservation fee, which will be taken off the total bill should you like the car. Book in for a test drive here at the fantastic Clever Car Collection. Well, also, don't forget to check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We take a lot of pride in them, so please check them out. I think that's it for this video, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.